Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra running One UI 8.5, and let me share with you how to add background image to Samsung Quick Panel. So we will need an external app, but it is provided by the Samsung. So all we need to do is to download it. Thanks to which we will be actually able to add the photos to the background of this panel, also for the brightness, for the sound, and for the media output, so the music section. Basically, we can just apply something really interesting here. So let me show all the steps you need to actually customize this section. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, because we need to download the GoodLock app. So as I said, it is an external app. However, it is provided by it is developed by the Samsung. So you can download it from the Galaxy Store or Play Store. Just tap on it. Here, tap on search, and here enter GoodLock app Samsung, something like that. It is free of charge, so simply download it, allow all of the permissions it needs, and after downloading, simply tap on it. So GoodLock. This is what you will see after entering this app. And as you can see right here, we've got a lot of things to customize, a lot of sections. And each section you want to customize needs to be downloaded. But no worries, because it's really easy. All you need to do is to tap on this download icon on it. So what I need you to do is to find QuickStar. So here, redesign your own Quick Panel UI, and tap on this download icon. Again, give all the permissions it needs, and once it is downloaded, once it is installed, simply tap on QuickStar. And as you can see, usually it will be turned off. So it will look like it. All you need to do is to tap on this switcher here at the top. And now we can edit panel style. Of course, if you want to, you can go to the panel theme. You can change the colors. As you can see, you've got different themes here. You can manage it here. But what I need you to do is to tap on edit panel style. Just tap. As I said, give all the permissions it needs. And here we've got the animation, how it will look like. So here we can change the style of those control panels. So button box, which is right here, media player, brightness, and volume. So I've told you that before. Moreover, you can also change the you can add the photo to the background in the buttons. So for example, if we've got the button with Wi-Fi, you can just add the photo, and you can change the borders. I will come back to this one. However, as you can see, we've got the warning that if turned off, it may be hard to see the active status of buttons. So it's obviously up to you whether you want to use it or not. So now let's focus. Now let's finally add the photo. I'll choose the button box, because why not? It is the biggest one in this configuration, so I'll just tap on this plus icon. Now we need to choose where we want to complete this action, so I'll pick the gallery, and let me tap on always. So now our device will simply transfer us to our own gallery. All you need to do is to find the photo that you like to use and tap on it. I'll pick this kitty. So now your device will ask you whether you want to apply the image, and you can either apply it just like it is right now, or you can crop it, so you can decide which part of it will be applied. And I will crop the photo. Again, we can choose the where we want to crop it. And obviously this highlighted area will be the area that will be used. So let me crop it like that, maybe something like that. Okay, and maybe like that. And tap on done. As you can see, it is immediately applied right here. So all we need to do is to unroll the upper panel and check our box. And as you can see, the kitty has been immediately applied to the background. So it is a great opportunity if you'd like to, I don't know, use the photo of your pet, of your child, of a beautiful landscape. It's completely up to you. So this is how it works, and it is really great. If you're not the biggest fan of the effect, just tap on this minus icon next to the button box, and it will be immediately removed. Yeah, so basically this is how it works. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.